You're watching Car and Bike. My name is Shams, and this is the big highlight of what Volkswagen has shown us here at the IAA Mobility in Munich. This is the big auto show from Germany. The big highlight from the brand is the ID.Cross concept, a near production electric SUV that we may also could soon see in our market running on the Indian roads. But for now, this is a concept, and this is a concept which seems to be the right size of the cars we expect in the Indian market. So the face is quite attractive. It gives the liberty to the manufacturer to give you an attractive face because this is an EV. So you get this big connected light bar with an illuminated Volkswagen logo. And I like how they've played along with the colors and the skid plates. It is quite nice. The face is very sporty and aggressive. You like that on the car. And then come towards the profile. And here, the first thing you instantly notice are these really big 21-inch alloys. Now for a car that's around 4 meters in length, slightly more than 4 meters, you have these really big wheels, charging port on the fenders, and different looking wheel arches as well. Not really the plain padding you see on cars, but something different. And then you come back. So traditional style door handles, you have the roof rails as well. And I like the element here on the seat mirror too, on the car. You come further back and then you see something really cool here as well. So right now it's not lit, but this got an illuminated Volkswagen logo here on the car with these proper connected tail lamps, and just like on the front you get a similar treatment here on the back too with the skid plates and body color used on the car, which looks quite nice. But very important, how is the ID.Cross from inside? Let's quickly go and take a look. So this is how the car looks. Now in an EV you expect to see a lot of sustainable materials. You see that in the ID.Cross concept. So you can feel the materials, touch them and see how they are. And just how I expect in an EV, you see a lot of storage spaces. So between the seats, on the door pockets, below the armrest, you see a lot of storage options. Now two very important things here in this car. Now first are these two screens. Now we've seen on cars like the Taigun R-Line that you see one big screen that has a lot of features, but here you get two screens. So one 13-inch central touch screen and another 11-inch digital cluster. So two separate things. And let's look at this Volkswagen steering wheel, something different from what you've seen on cars till now. The two-spoke steering wheel with a lot of physical buttons. And if you like physical buttons, you'll like that. And also Volkswagen has importantly said, look at this. A lot of the important functions of the car also find a place here on the physical buttons. Here, so you don't need to look for touch buttons on the SUV. So that's the cabin, but how in terms of what it offers in terms of performance or in terms of range. So we don't have the exact specifications of the battery till now, but yes, what the company is saying that you might get more than 200 bhp maximum power and more than 400 kilometers of range. You never know, this could be the first EV from the brand to India. It could happen 27 or maybe later, but we have to see. For now, the concept very close to production. What do you think of the ID.Cross concept here at the Munich Auto Show? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.